All cars are now underway for event number 16, the final speed car race on the pre-Easter season calendar here at the Sydney Showground Circuit. 19 cars will start in this evening's 50-lap derby. The cars now moving up into their respective starting positions. One behind them, Brian Cunneen, Johnny Stewart, Len Brock, Peter Cunneen, Kevin Park, Lou Marshall, and backmarker Jeff Freeman in car 75. 50 laps, rolling start. The green lights are flashing and the race is on. There's a mix-up in the first corner. Brian Mannion gets up in the air, manages to stay on the ground and does not flip, but is off the track. The leader out of the top corner is Al Staples from Terry Whitehouse. Then comes Paul Brooker, followed by Sid Middleman, Corey Zardel, Bill Kerno. Sid Clark goes up very high to the top of the track. Then comes Sid Reed on the outside. Brian Cunneen followed by Len Brock, Johnny Stewart. Then comes Peter Cunneen. Behind them comes Kevin Park and Lou Marshall. As they move into the back straight away, they're into the top turn for the second time around, and it's Al Staples leading Terry Whitehouse from Paul Brooker. Next at hand comes car 61, Sid Middleman, Brian Cunneen, Peter Cunneen, then comes Kerno, behind them Lou Marshall, then comes Johnny Stewart in car number 1, the McGee Shell track burner. They move to the bottom turn and as they move through the pit bend, there's Len Brock trying desperately to bridge the gap to the leaders. There they go, Brian Cunneen, Peter Cunneen, both driving desperately at this stage. They're into the top turn and all these cars are bunched together. The three leaders, Terry Whitehouse, what a race. Car 29, Paul Brooker on the outside is Brian Cunneen. Then comes Len Brock on the inside is car 61, Sid Middleman. Stewart sneaks through on the inside.